second.
You gotta watch this, you guys. It's gonna be funny. Eli! Watch Dad!
All right, boss.
Stay right there and watch Dad.
Oh man. Are you alright?
Yeah, baby. Woo! What was that? That looked like a hurt. Oh, no more, that's it. No more. You're wrecking my bush right there.
Wrecking your what?
Bush. That was awesome. It's my friend, Bob.
That's sweet, dude.
You are a nut.
Okay, Kim, you're next.
I'm not going all the way to the bottom. I'll go on the little cart. I'll go down this one right here, Julie.
All right.
How much? I want to see how much.